Hey man, I lost my $100. The last time I had it, I was with you. Where's my $100?
I don't know your $100.
Bro, what do you mean? The last time I had it, I was with you. Where's my $100?
No, go look in your house.
Bro, I looked at my house from top to bottom. Where's my $100?
I don't know.
Okay, well, give me some money.
Why would I give you money if I don't even have your money?
Oh my gosh, bro, I'm about to jump on this table. Bro, give me my $100.
And I ain't got your money.
Man, hold on. Where you finna go? We not finished with this. Sit right back down. Okay, man, look. Where's my $100?
Check your pocket.
Bro, don't you think I have?
Just check it.
Fine, bro, fine. Oh, bro. Bro, my fault.